Hey G Squad, and welcome back to the channel. So I hope as you're tuning in today, it finds you and your loved ones well. So as you can see by the title in today's video, I figured I'd bring you a quick under 30-minute meal. We all have busy schedules, so we want to get in the kitchen and out as soon as possible. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made this chicken and vegetable stir fry, and I have it over brown rice. Also, halfway through the video, I do have a announcement to make. So let's keep watching. All right, G Squad. So these are the ingredients I'm using. So these are some chicken strips that I actually ordered online. I belong to a meat subscription company, and I'm going to actually share with you later on in this video. And so I'm just going over my seasonings. I have some sesame oil, garlic powder, complete seasoning. I have some black pepper as well as this adobo seasoning. I forgot to put my paprika on the counter, which I'm about to step off and bring that back into the frame. And then I'm going to saute everything using this extra virgin olive oil. And then I'm using these packs of frozen vegetables, which consist of broccoli, carrots, sugar, snap peas, as well as some watercress. And now you can use your vegetables frozen or you can thaw them out, whatever your preference is. And so now the first thing I'm going to do is add all my seasonings to my chicken, get that ready. And so now if you are new to my channel, first of all, welcome. So glad to have you. Thanks for, visiting to see what we are about over here. I do say season your food to your health first and then to your taste. I'm just sharing with you what ingredients I like to, put on my food according to, our household and our taste. But definitely, like I said, you put your own flavor, on your foods. And if you're returning family members, hey, welcome, so glad you're hanging in there with your girl. And so now, as I said, I'm just adding, everything in here. And before I actually start to blend this together, I'm going to add my olive oil, to my pot. So by the time I'm done with mixing the seasonings together with the chicken, we can just, continue on from there. Okay, so now that the oil in the pot is hot, I'm going to drop in our chicken strips. And now because these are thinly sliced, they only really need to be cooked like a minute per side. And then you're going to remove them because what's going to happen is we're going to put them back in the pot later once we get our veggies done. And we don't want to overcook them and, end up having dry chicken breasts. Yeah, so I put the first batch in there, like I said, and then also feel free to add more oil if you need to, if you feel like your pan is drying out. And I end up doing this like I think once or twice throughout the video because, as I said, once your oil dries up, you want to add some more to be able to continue cooking your dish. And so there you see me. I went back in and added some, and so now I'm just moving my pieces around, and I'm going to begin to flip them over because, like I said, they're going to cook relatively, quickly, as you can see.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh.
All right, so now that the chicken is done, I'm just going in and I'm kind of scraping the remnants of the, the chicken and just mixing that with the oil. And so now it's time to add our frozen vegetables to the pot.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire.
All right, so now I'm just gonna go in with my spoon and kind of mix everything up, break up the parts of the vegetables that are still stuck together. And as I said, if you have to go in and add some more oil because your pot is becoming dry, then feel free to do so. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix this once again and make sure all my vegetables are coated in this oil. Then I'm gonna put a lid on it and just allow it to thaw out because these vegetables are already cooked. It's just a matter of just heating them, back up. So yeah, so we're gonna let these do these things and we'll be back. All right, family, I just wanted to take a brief intermission and share with you this food, or actually, I should say, meat delivery company called Good Ranchers. And it's basically run by American farmers. And so I figured I'd give them a try. And when I tell you, it did not disappoint. The meat package that I chose, Chef's Kisses. So, as you can see, it comes in this box that's sealed with dry ice, and then each order of meat comes in these beautiful bright yellow envelopes, and then inside there, each piece of meat is in a vacuum sealed, package. And so, therefore, your meat remains, really fresh. Like I said, the meat comes frozen because it is delivered on ice right to your door. And how it works is you just go on there and you choose the meat plan that you want. They have things ranging, from beef, prime pork. They have 100% wild caught seafood, as well as the chicken, which to me it tastes better than organic. And so you can do a one-time order or you can do a subscription. Now, if you subscribe to them for a weekly up until monthly deliveries, you decide how often you want your meat plan to come. But in any case, as a subscriber, to their company, you for the whole year 2025, you get your choice of free meat. Then on top of it, I love the fact that part of the proceeds it goes towards helping paralyzed vets. So I mean, I just love everything about this company. Customer service is A1. And now this is not a sponsored video at all, but like I said, if you're like me, you want to give your family the best quality there is, and definitely Good Ranchers does that for me. And I am going to link their information below, and then I do have a referral code. If you want to use it, and yeah. So definitely check them out, and you can thank me later because, like I said, they do not disappoint. All right, so with that being said, thank you for your time, and so now let's get back to our regularly scheduled program. All righty, so I'm back. So I would say like after every 5 minutes, you want to go in, remove the lid, and stir it. So this way, the frozen vegetables have the opportunity to be at the bottom of the pan in order for it to start to cook and melt. Okay? So now I'm going to put the lid back on it and allow it to continue to do its thing. Alright, so now that our veggies are nice and thawed, we're going to go ahead and begin to season them. And so I'm using the same season that I've seasoned the chicken with the exception of the paprika. And then lastly, I'm going to add some of this sesame oil. A couple of teaspoons. Give that a nice mix. And so this is done. I mean, actually, technically the veggies were done. We're just basically heating them up, doing this method, and just adding a little seasoning. And you can also cook the same dish and add some shrimps, beef. I actually made this last night, and I used shrimps instead. And so it was a hit in my household, so this time I figured I would do it, but I would add chicken this time. And then you're going to taste it, adjust the seasonings if you need to. Take a little taste. Add a little more adobo. Okay, give that a stir. Now we're going to introduce our chicken back to the pot. Get that juice in there. Around just a little. Mix that up well. I'll turn this off. And that is it. Okay, simple meal, under 30 minutes, and it'll actually go faster if you want to allow your for your vegetables to thaw up first. You can also do that. And you'll notice I didn't add any liquids to this because I don't want the veggies to be soggy, and because of the fact that they were already frozen, that's going to lend some liquid to it. But yeah, that's it. I just wanted to basically saute them, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So now I'm going to plate this, and we're going to wrap this video up. Okay, that's it. So you have your chicken and veggie stir fry over brown rice. You can put this over some pasta, noodles. You can eat it by itself. But yeah, so that's it. Quick and simple meal under 30 minutes. But anyway, family, so that's going to bring us to the close of our video or cooking tutorial. And so I want to thank you so much for tuning in. And again, just, stay blessed, stay well. You got this. Love you guys, and I will see you all in the next video.